If your MetaHuman's head is floating or the neck looks disconnected, you're not alone. It's a common issue, but there's a simple fix for that. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to reattach the head properly. First, head over to the content browser and open up your MetaHumans folder. Now inside that folder, go to the Common folder. Then open the Body folder and double-click on the ABP Body Post-Process Animation Blueprint to open it up. And here, double-click on the Anim graph. That'll open up the Animation Blueprints node graph. Now select the Enable Head Movement IK node, and in the Details panel, uncheck Head Movement under the default value. Now just click Compile and Save, then go ahead and close the Blueprint window. Next, go to the Face folder, which is also inside the Common folder, and open the ABP Face Post Process Animation Blueprint. Here again, double-click on the Anim graph and zoom in a bit. Select the Enable Head Movement IK node and uncheck its default value, then hit Compile and Save. Now if I close this window and look at the viewport, the MetaHuman's head is properly connected to the body, and we're all set to animate the character however we like. Huge shout out to Sirojiddin Ubaydullaev for helping out with this fix. Thanks for the support, mate. I was about to talk for 20 minutes, tell stories, give context, maybe even throw in a dramatic pause or two. But then I realized time is valuable, yours and mine, so I showed you the fix. And now we both move forward, a little more connected, just like that MetaHuman head.